everyone? It is Cody here. Today we are going to be unboxing the Genright laser notched roll cage for the Jeep TJ. So this video today is going to be a little bit different because we're just doing an unboxing video. This roll cage is from Genright. It's laser notched, and it's going to be the next episode on the Jeep TJ 1-ton build. I want to show you guys how you get it and what all it came with. This is the fully optioned out TJ cage that Genright offers. So we've got those 3 additional boxes on the right there that are options you can add on. This will have all the tubing that you can get from Genright. So here we have all of our boxes from Genright proper. They're really nice, and they put box numbers on there. So you have box 1, box 2, and then box 3. All 3 of these boxes are the standard Jeep TJ roll cage, laser notched. It's how it comes. And then we have our 3 options. We have our behind the seat X bar, the dash V-bar kit, and then I believe this is the rear seat seatbelt bar, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'm super stoked to unbox it, see kind of how it comes. We'll just go box by box through it and give you guys a really good idea of what you're getting from Genright when you order one of these cages. So here we are at box 1. We'll get her opened up. Those are weighty. So we've got a spool of tube. What a surprise. It's got the packing slip with all the serial numbers. So as you guys see on these, move this so you can see, all these tubes are notched so they fit together like puzzle pieces. And what Genright did that's really nice is they put the part numbers laser etched into the side of this tubing. So that way you can go in and just follow the instructions to a T and put this thing together like a puzzle. And it doesn't look like we got anything else in this box. All right, now we're gonna get box 2 opened up. This is definitely the heaviest box that came. We've got all kinds of goodies in this box. So as you can see, they've already got quite a few holes in these tubes for your other tubes to run into. Another packing slip with the part numbers. Who would have guessed that a roll cage had a lot of tubes? I know these are our new A-pillar supports that will run alongside the dash. All right, box 2 is emptied out. Okay, this is box 3 of the standard kit that you get when you order the Genright cage. All right, we'll adjust you guys up a little bit so you can see inside here. First thing on the top, you got your instructions and all of the mounting hardware, another shipping sheet with all the part numbers. And we've got tons of little pieces in here, so more tube, of course. And more tube. Some mounts of some sort. I'm sure we're going to find out what they go to specifically soon. These are the grab handles that you get with the kit. And we get quite a bit of plate. This is for mounting the feet, the roll cage feet. No idea what these are for. We're going to find out in the 1-ton build episode of this. And that's the conclusion of box number 3. Okay. So now we're going to move into some of our optional equipment here. This is the dash V-bar kit, which is an add-on for the Genright cage. And there it is, the V-bar add-on for the cage itself. Next, we are going to move on to another add-on, which is the behind the seat X-bar kit for the TJs. I feel like my kid opening this box. All right, so we got tubing. Not that anyone would have guessed that. And more tubing. So that is the X-bar kit. And this is our last box. I am not entirely sure what's in this one. I'm guessing it is one of the behind the seat bars for the seat belts. Some kind of plate. I have no idea what. It looks like it's got Genright's logo cut into it. Pretty cool. And more tube. Lots and lots of tube. So got a couple of tabs and some other stuff with this, and it looks like some instructions. So I'm gonna get all this stuff organized. We'll lay it out on the floor and we'll take a look at all of it. All right, this is the content of all of those boxes laid out on the floor. It doesn't look like a lot, and honestly, I was expecting more just with the sheer amount of boxes that were there, but you gotta pack these things pretty thick because all the stuff is super heavy. So starting on this side, we've got our dash V-bar, our X-bar kit, and all the add-on stuff that I believe is like our seat belt bars and all that. The rest of this is all roll cage. We've got plate mounts, all the instructions and hardware kit, our roll cage feet. This is an all-inclusive kit. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this deal just to kind of show you guys what you're getting if you decide to purchase the Genright roll cage. I paid full price for it. I'm not sponsored by them, and I don't sell them on my website. So this is more or less just for you guys and has zero promotional value at all. If you guys want to see it getting installed into the Jeep TJ, that video will be coming up on the Jeep TJ build here soon. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.